In the UK, we shred tens of thousands of working and repairable devices every week for recycling. But fixing or reusing them instead could reduce waste, lower emissions, and save households money. In 2023, we spent a week testing every electronic and electrical device brought to a household reuse and recycling centre in London for shredding. And shockingly, we found that almost half of them could have been reused instead. So then in 2024, we worked with our community to investigate the scope of the problem and what's being done to address it. We called our project Beyond Recycling of E-Waste, or BREW for short. Together with 48 citizen scientists and support from Impetus, we mapped options to reuse products instead of recycle them at over 1,000 waste facilities across the UK. Over the course of 5 months, we conducted extensive desk research, contacted local authorities for information, and even visited a small number of these sites. We learned that less than a fifth of UK waste facilities actually provide options for reusing electronic and electrical products, even those in good condition, and even fewer offer repairs. But at the same time, repair and reuse are far more popular options for the UK public than recycling. So why aren't reuse options more common? From our research, we identified structural barriers to prioritising reuse at these sites. So we developed some policy recommendations for the government in Westminster, such as introducing new targets for reuse and waste prevention, and funding new repair and reuse initiatives like repair vouchers, paid for by the companies that make these products in the first place. These policies could reduce waste, lower planet heating emissions, and save households money. So that's what we're pushing for. A win for people and planet. Throughout the project, Impetus played a useful role, from providing the financial support needed to dedicate time to this work, to our mentor who helped us design our research methodology and monitoring processes, and to the various training sessions. The accelerator allowed us to improve the quality and expand the scope of this research. We're grateful for Impetus's support.